This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 37 of building Eleanor from Gone in 60 Seconds. This is a very quick build episode, I think. This and the next one, not got much to them at all. We've got the plastic wheel arch, which is going to be fitted onto our main chassis that we're building up on. It's held in place with 3 screws. Yep. So let's get 3 screws out from our packet here. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. Keep another one spare. So this is going to go exactly the same as the one on the other side did. A bit like that. That one's going to go there. Screw over there. Through there, and one right down the bottom, down there. I get it all lined up. It should just fit together like so. So we'll get these in, and then make sure everything lines up where it should before I get them tightened up. One there, one there. And the final one right down there next to that post. There we have it. Nice and balanced. Looking good. Really starting to come together. So I shall get these tightened up and we shall say thank you very much for watching. If you're enjoying the build, stick around for more very soon. There's one more issue, one more pack. Or issue in this pack even, yes. And then we have to wait until the next pack arrives. But it's not much of a wait because there's always other part works happening on this channel. So come back for more tomorrow. And then in a couple of days, I say, we'll finish off this one. I like it when you're screwing it up. You can even feel the suspension sort of working a bit. So there we have it. Good to go. And ready for next time. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.